let's go to Frontiers.
Move over, Mandy. Watch it. So they got we're off to go to Denny's. I want to go to Denny's.
You going to Denny's?
Yeah.
Who's hungry?
Me!
Let's go to Denny's.
The camera from San Diego.
Listen,
I'm
you
at
girls,
Denny's.
listen,
On our way
turn around.
to see
Melody,
her.
listen, we're very short on money, okay? So we're all gonna get the same breakfast.
We're all gonna eat one breakfast. One plate for all of us, all right?
We're all gonna eat the breakfast. We don't have enough to buy those $5 for tonight, tomorrow, understand? So we're all gonna get the same breakfast.
We're at Denny's.
And if you lock up the truck, I'm gonna get it.
Okay. And we're gonna eat at Denny's.
Like this, and then you get this.